Future and past. I think if you look at this monument, you always wonder how come that these people had these ideas of the scale, the size, and even the kind of elaboration. No, there is a joy of working. There is something to do with that. You love things to see. You come back and you visit, you touch your hand, you can sit places. How come we don't think about this public realm? We have no public realm at all. We don't talk about people, communities rejoicing. We don't have urban development at all. Actually, that place, there are these steps which goes down and they go down to the water. That's for the elephants to come. But where are the communities gone? Neighborhoods are not there. And not only that, but there are no museums, there are no civic spaces, there are no institutions which inspire you. Cultural, social, economic activities have to be clustered and they become the focus of our development. Then everything will spread. Make a developer aware that you are doing this, but 10% of your money, of your space, of your buildings should be made into institutions. But if he says no, we succumb. We are constantly succumbing. He says, you don't bother about what is going to happen outside my property. You will say, look, I am not bothered about neighbor. You just do me what I want. So we are not professionals at all. We are lachar, no? We are actually submissive. An architect has even a greater responsibility. Then what happens? Parents are not aware, society is not aware, we are not aware, newspapers are not aware, and so what are we dependent on? So anybody comes here, we come to these ancient monuments and say, this is our heritage. So what shall we say about it, What is our heritage, present heritage? What have you contributed to contemporary heritage? Show me one example. One example you show me. It's not there because you think the architects are not powerful. But because they are not doing, nobody is listening to them because they have nothing to do with society at large. See, it's a beautiful wall, huh? The kind of transparency you get from here, you see? You get this plus that plus this.
Frames, yeah.
Huh?
Like frames, series
Yeah.
of frames.
So, eventually, all over the country, in India, except these such monuments, nothing will be there, no trace. We will have only roads, for cars, parking, hawkers, because that's how we eat our days, enjoy our celebration, entertainment of cheap type. And rooms which are shelters, which may be luxurious, but that's all because we want to be now alone, isolated, enjoy yourself, and so we don't talk about society. Socially relevant architecture, I don't think that we have anymore. I don't mean to say that we cannot have a better house. But when you just step out of the house and get into the entrance and go to the street, what kind of street is there? Can my children walk and go in 2 minutes to a park? Can they see something there and learn and come back? Can the family go there and say, oh, it's wonderful, I learned something more today. I enjoyed my time. So what do? They go back and they have a computer screen, laptop, And television. What do you have on television? When you show these things, you show as heritage, but that's all. We don't talk about saying, all right, now, gentlemen, here is our new heritage. Not expensive, idea-wise. Now, you think to collect water is expensive? To create with the light and shadow and sun and just show people the play of volumes and sculptures and music going on together and dance, is it expensive? If things are good, people will come and dance. But if they are not there, they won't dance. So we will have a Konarak festival, a Khajuraho festival, Sarkhej festival. So I think future is because we as professionals are so much involved in our day-to-day mundane survival. So we are not at all talking. But we are just surviving. Institution building is gone. Look at the Indian Institute of Architects. Look at the Council of Architecture. They're fighting against each other. Doing what? You see the schools and look at the kind of teachers you get. What do? And the teachers are talking, the parents are there, students are there. Who is telling what? And we only talk about, only say, how do we do for a developer today? What can we say? How can you not have glass in the building? Because you are not convinced. The client never says that I don't like it. If you bring a client here, you think he will not like it. And then if you add glass, nobody will say, but there is something to do with beauty which comes by subtle nuances of volumes and surfaces. Look at the skyline, now. Look at the scales. It's not the big, it's not the monumental, it's not the size at all. Nothing is there talked about. We just talk about, this is the price, this is the value, this is what I do in this much time.
there